Hey guys, it's Smita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be crazy, it's going to be insane, it's going to be completely different from what I usually do on my channel. I'm sure many of you have already seen the extreme Chinese makeup transformation that has gone viral online, where they go from 0 to 100 looking like a completely different person, mostly like a doll at the end. And many of you requested for me to do this, so I'm doing it for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Along the way, I will show you all the tips, tricks, and secrets to achieve the look. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe, and without further ado, let's get this started. In most of the videos that I saw, they purposely like to start with something crazy, like crazy looking hair or crazy looking teeth, like decayed teeth. So I went and got these dentures from a Halloween store. Luckily, Halloween is coming up, so I could find some accessories. So I'm going to try these on and see how they look on me. Now that I could finally stop laughing and get the teeth to sit in its position, let's go ahead and start glamming me up. They usually wear larger lenses, but I don't have that size, so I'm going with the regular size Russian Velvet Grey lens from Olens, and we will make it larger at the end, and I will show you how. And if you look at their eyebrows, they're usually a medium to light brown in color, and they're straight. They don't have an arch, but I have such a prominent arch, so I'll try to make it as straight as possible. First, I'm going to comb it down with a spoolie, and then I'm taking the medium brown pomade from Ardell, and I'm going to fill in my brows using an angled brush. I'm going to then quickly clean up the borders of my brows using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige. To make their eyes appear bigger and to give some definition to their lids, they use an eyelid tape. And I got these from an Asian store, and I'm going to try it out. If you look at my eyes, they're pretty hooded, so you can barely see my lids. And now I'm going to use this right above my crease line, and you can definitely see a difference. And look at the lid space that it instantly created like magic on my right lid when you compare it to the left one. I'm going to apply the same tape on my left lid as well, and once I have that on, I'm going to conceal it using some concealer. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige, and then I'm going to set the concealer using my Artistry loose powder. Somewhere along the way, when they're glamming up, they take off their fake dentures. So I'm going to take off mine as well. It's so uncomfortable. To reconstruct my nose, I'm going to be using some Flesh Fake Skin. I usually use a lot of this during Halloween time. I'm sure you would have seen my Terminator Genesis tutorial. Otherwise, I'm linking it right on top. So I'm going to mold this, and I'm going to fix it on the bridge of my nose. Now that we have a much straighter, sharper nose, let's move on to the jawline. To get that very prominent structured jawline, they usually use a makeup tape or a duct tape. I don't have the makeup tape, so I'm going to be trying it with the duct tape. I'm going to stick one end just below my chin, and I'm going to pull it and fix the other end right behind my ear, just so I get that facelift. Although I didn't do too much as I expected, it gave me some structure, so it's definitely better than nothing. To prime my face and neck, I'm going to be using the Rimmel Lasting Finish Primer. This gives me a white cast, more like when you apply a sunscreen, you get that white cast, exactly like that. In the Asian transformation videos that I've seen, they usually apply a sunscreen or a primer that leaves that white cast on their skin, making their skin appear lighter than their natural skin color. So I'm going to blindly follow them. Although I don't have the same exact products, Rimmel Lasting Finish Primer pretty much does the same thing on me, leaving a white cast. They also go light on their foundation, so I'm going to be going one shade lighter than my skin tone by using the Maybelline Superstay in Sun Beige. I'm going to be applying this all over my face and neck using this super soft kabuki brush from HipDot, but just for my nose to be extra careful so that my nose doesn't move around or my fake nose doesn't move around, I'm going to be using a beauty sponge. To conceal and highlight under my eyes, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige. And then to set my entire face, I'm going to be using the NYX Press Powder. This is called the Stay Matte but Not Flat Powder in Medium Beige. They hardly ever contour their face, but they definitely use blush. So I'm going to be using the Sigma Aura powder in pink. And to achieve that doll-like glow, I'm going to be using the So Hollywood Illuminator from Anastasia. I'm just using a tiny bit on the high planes of my face. From my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, I'm taking this coral color and this is going to be my transition color. So with a blending brush, I'm going to blend this out at my crease. They usually use corals, oranges as well as pinks, so I'm going to stick with those colors. I'm going to use the same shade with a pencil brush in my lower lash line to soften up everything. Now using this pink shade, I'm going to intensify my outer crease using a smaller blending brush. For eyeliner, I'm going with the Italia Deluxe Waterproof Eyeliner. This is my current favorite, and thanks to the eyelid tape that I don't have hooded eyes today, which means I can go for a thicker line. I got these Asian brand lashes from Daiso. I got both top as well as bottom lashes, so we'll see how it goes. First, I'm going to attach the false lashes, then I will apply a coat of mascara to my natural lashes just so they blend with the falsies. Lower lashes makes such a big difference. It takes you from looking like a normal human being to looking like a doll. As much as I don't want to look like a doll, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm doing this. On my lips, I will be using pink again. First, I'm going with the Karity Lip Lock Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Tamar. And over that, I'm going to be using the Coastal Scents Lip Tube, which is basically a lip gloss in Coral. Now this finishes the makeup part, but there's another part to this that they don't tell you about, which is using an app. The app is called Maytoo, so when they do the transformation, they use this app. Let me show you how this app works on my phone. When you open the app, you'll see a little camera icon or button way at the bottom. Go ahead and click on that and you will see yourself like I'm seeing myself. And then you'll have to click on the little icon on the left that says cute, which will lead you into another screen where you'll see a face. And this is where you can adjust the size and structure of your face. As you can see, when I drag the bar all the way to the right, I look like a completely different person. I don't even look like a human. I have bigger eyes, almost like a doll. And then you can come back all the way to the left for your normal facial structure and size. Now I'll show you how the actual Asian makeup transformation happens on this app by taking off my makeup. So let's go. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I feel so good being back to who I am. I'm so uncomfortable being somebody else. And next time when you see something on social media, take it with a grain of salt because not everything you see is true. I hope you found this video entertaining, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video to let them know how it's done. As always, I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week with new tutorials. Bye guys.